Wait. I want to remove the video panel. Hide video panel. Okay. So I told about. I have told about the rational number, its property. Okay. There are 5 type of property. Closure property. Okay. Closure property. Second property was. Wait. Second property was commutative property. Wait, I'm getting. Okay, second property is commutative property. Third one is distributive property, and fourth one was.
Ma'am, we didn't discuss the distributive yet. We are in associative.
Associative. Okay, associative till associative we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I gave homework uh, to verify. Homework was verify all these property for the integer and the whole numbers. So have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Sohan Ram, have you done homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, and we have discussed additive identity, multiplication identity, additive reverse, and multiplicative reverse. Okay, so be careful in these 4 terms. Additive identity means we are adding 0. It will
0, ma'am.
0. Add multiplicative identity means
1.
1. If we multiply by 1, there would be no effect on the result. Additive inverse. See, they are 2 terms, additive identity and additive inverse. In additive identity, we are adding 0. In additive inverse means we are adding inverse of that number. And inverse of addition is a minus.
Subtraction.
Okay. And multiplicative inverse is division.
Reciprocal.
Multiplication inverse is a division, or you can say reciprocal. Okay, don't confuse with these 4 terms, because there surely the question will come from these 4 topics. Okay, now come to the next property. Okay, we were in associative property, rational number. Okay, we have done this question. Additive identity, all these are done. Okay, so we will do a few questions, okay, based on that theory. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Minus 13. What would be the multiplicative inverse of
1 by 13. Minus 1 by 13.
minus 1 by 13?
13.
Okay. And Sohan Ram, what would be the multiplicative inverse of this number?
Multiplicative inverse, right? I think it's 9 by minus 13. 19 by minus 13.
19 by minus 13. Correct. This is correct. Now, next one. If 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3, it is correct or not? 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3 or not? If it is inverse, then why? And if it is not, it is why not? Tell me.
Ma'am, it is a multiplicative inverse.
Okay, how?
Ma'am, because ma'am, 0.3 we can write it as 3 by 10.
3 by 10.
And 3 1 by 3 is we can write it as 10 by 3.
Yeah, this can be written
Ma'am,
as 10 by 3.
Yes, ma'am. So it is a multiplicative inverse.
So this is a multiplicative inverse. Very good. Next, the rational number, you have to write. You have to write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Tell me any
0.
rational number which does not have a reciprocal.
0, ma'am.
0. Because its reciprocal would be 1 by 0, and 1 by 0
Which
cannot
is
be defined, which is undefined. Okay, very good. Rational number that are equal to their reciprocal. Tell me any rational number
1 and minus
that
1.
are equal to their reciprocal.
1
One.
and minus 1, I think. 1 and minus 1.
That are equal to their reciprocal. Are they equal?
Yes, ma'am.
1 and minus 1 are equal. Very good.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
and minus 1 both. Okay, for 1 the reciprocal
One
of
by
1
one.
would be 1. The reciprocal of minus 1 would be
Minus 1.
minus 1. Okay, so please note down these two rational number does not these two rational number have equal reciprocal. Okay, so now third, rational number that is equal to its negative. Tell me, do you know any rational number that is equal to its negative?
0.
Very good. 0 and minus 0, they both are same. That is equal to its
Ma'am,
negative.
we have a minus 0 also.
No, we don't define minus 0. It's negative and it's positive, both will be 0. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
for understanding purpose only I wrote. Okay, next, the additive inverse of a by b is
B by A.
Minus a by b. Minus a by b.
raise your hand. You are not supposed to allow every time. Okay, raise your, let other to give the chance. Okay, raise your hand. Yeah, Ayush, tell me the additive inverse of a by b.
Minus A by B.
Minus a by b. Very good. Next, additive is associative for
All of these.
wait. Additive is associative for
All of these.
All of the above.
how? How?
Because we can do addition with any of these and the result will be the same.
Same.
Natural
Okay.
number, whole number.
So now next question. 0 has
No
Zero.
reciprocal.
0
No
has
reciprocal. No reciprocal.
Ma'am, it has no reciprocal, ma'am.
okay. The additive inverse of 7 by 5 is
Minus 7 by 5.
Minus 7 by 5, ma'am.
no. You will not. I will ask you. When I will ask you, then only you have to answer. Okay. Let other to give their chance. Tanvi. Tanvi. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. The additive inverse of 7 by 5 is
Minus 7 by 5, ma'am. As the
minus 7
sign
by 5.
change.
Now come to the distributive property.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm not getting link, ma'am. I asked on WhatsApp, I asked on WhatsApp also. I even tried calling you, ma'am. You were not answering.
Yesterday I gave the link. Na? I posted link yesterday only. So the link would be same.
Okay, I didn't know that actually. So that's the reason I had to reload WhatsApp 2 times and then I got it.
Okay. No problem. Every time the link would be same. If you are not getting link through WhatsApp, you check your WhatsApp app. In there you would find the link. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now come to the next property, distributivity. What is the distributivity? Distributivity of addition and subtraction for rational number. See, distributivity is that if we write PQR in this form, P into Q plus R, using this property, we can write this term as PQ plus PR. Okay, and if it is Q minus R, then we can write it as PQ minus PR. This is the first one is the distributivity of multiplication over addition, and the second one is the distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, see here it is written in the bracket. You can open these bracket and you can write in their multiplication form. This is the property of distributivity. Clear? Okay, let's take one example. check the distributivity property of three rational number. If these three rational number have been given, then find out the distributive property for these numbers. Do it fast. All of you have to do it. Do it fast. I ask anyone. Manideep,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done? Do it. Do it fast. All children, do it fast. And those who are unable to do it, please let me know. Anyone got the result? Tell me, please. Tell me quickly. Okay. One of you got the result. Manideep. Apply the distributive property for these rational number. See, distributivity property can be written as 4 by 7 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay. If we are writing this number in this form, okay, this can be written as 4 by 7 into minus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 7 into 1 by 2. Okay. Now check both the side are equal or not. If they are equal, it means distributive property is satisfying here. Are you able to get the answer? Who is getting answer? Just quickly raise your hand.
Ma'am, I got an answer. 1 minute. Ma'am, at last, should we do the addition also?
Yeah. First, here in the right hand side, first perform the addition and then multiply with the 4 by 7. In the right hand side, this is LHS. In right hand side, first perform the multiplication of these numbers and then perform the addition. Okay, because here we have distributed this 4 by 7 to this.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm getting the answer.
Okay, we have distributed this 4 by 7. Anyone else? Ayush, what is your answer? Ayush, yeah,
Ma'am,
tell
I
me
didn't
first.
get an answer only.
You do it fast. Tanvi, where is Tanvi? Tanvi is not responding. Sohan Ram, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I just want to be honest. I think I'm little confused. with the
Why
problem.
you are confused? Actually, the three rational numbers are given. That is 4 by 7 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 2. Okay, and we have to check the distributive property. Let's say this is P, this is Q, this is R, and in distributive property we know that PQ plus R can be written as PQ plus PR. That's it. This is the distributive property. Okay, now you have to check for your question, for your given number, it is satisfying
Ma'am,
or not.
it's not same, ma'am.
It's not same.
Ma'am, it's not same. Yes, ma'am.
It would be same. It would be same.
Yeah, ma'am, it's not same.
Wait,
Yes, ma'am, it's not same.
4 by 7, it would be 6 minus 4 plus 3, it is LHS is 4 by 7 into minus 1 by 6 minus 4 by 42, correct? RHS would be multiply these 4 into minus 2 8, 21 plus 4 by 14. Okay, LCM, what would be the LCM?
Ma'am, can you go back to the question? I guess I wrote it wrong.
This is the question. PQR have been given.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now solve it. Minus 8 by 21 plus 4 by 14. What would be the LCM of 21 and 14? It would be, LCM would be 42. Okay, now this would be minus 16. This would be 12. Minus 4 by 42. I am getting the same result in LHS and RHS. It means this property is satisfying for these rational number. Okay, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. I think I got the calculation wrong.
Yeah, check your calculation.
Same here, ma'am.
Okay, you check your calculation. Now next, see, how will you represent rational number on number line? How will you represent? Sorry, how will you represent? Rational number. First, I will tell you, natural number will be represented in the right hand side of this number line, because here we write positive numbers. Okay, whole number will also be represented in this right hand side. In whole number we will include 0 also. We will include 0 plus all natural numbers. Okay, in integers, since integers are all negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, so they all would represent integers. Okay, this you might have learned in your previous class. Now in this chapter we will see how to represent any rational number. Okay, see, if this is my number line and in the middle we write 0, here in the right side we write positive numbers, here we write all negative numbers. Okay, then if my rational numbers are, suppose 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, then how would you represent these numbers on a number line? Actually all these are positive numbers. Okay, so we'll start from here. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, and so on. Okay, and negative numbers, in the same way we would represent the negative numbers on the left hand side. Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3. Okay, these are the rational number represented on a number line. Okay, now suppose if I say represent 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10 on a number line. Okay, so how will you represent? Nitya Shri?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you represent these numbers on number line?
For 1 by 10 towards the positive side, we have to go on with 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 10, 3 by 10.
Yeah,
And then on that 1 by 10, we should circle. And
yeah.
on the same one, 2 by 10 and 3 by 10.
Okay, and in the negative side, we can represent minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, and so on.
Minus 3 by 10.
Okay, this is the rational number representation on a number line. Okay, now come to the next. Represent these number on number lines. Okay, I am giving you these numbers, 7 by 4 and minus 5 by 6. Can you represent this on a number line? Please draw a number line and represent it.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you, I am saying it again, that if you find any problem anywhere, please ask me at that time
Ma'am,
only.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
Can the denominators be different in negative and positive numbers?
Different denominator would be same for all
Okay,
positive
ma'am.
number and negative numbers. Okay. Okay. So now represent these number on number line 7 by 4. You have to draw two number lines. Okay. Represent these two numbers on different number lines. For 7 by 4,
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
for 7 by 4, if you take this as 0, then take the part as,
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
okay, what will be this part? First part. This part would be 1 by 4.
1 by
Part
4.
would be 2 by 4.
2 by 4.
3 by 4. Okay, if we'll start from 1 by 4, then only we can reach 2.7 by 4. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now minus 5 by 6. So now draw again new number line. Mark
The
0.
start is minus 1 by 6.
The start will be minus 1 by 6. If you will start from minus 1 by 6, then only you can reach up to minus 5 by 6. Okay. It is clear for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Next. Between any two rational number, how many number can be written? Now tell me. We'll start.
Infinite, ma'am.
If I say my one rational number is 1 by 1 and other rational number is 2 by 1, so how many number would lie between 1 and 2? Between these two rational numbers,
Infinite, ma'am.
there can be infinitive numbers of rational numbers. Okay, infinitive numbers. Okay, so what is the correct answer?
D, ma'am.
Infinitive. C.
Yes, C, ma'am.
C. Now come to the next topic. A rational number between two rational number. Okay, how will you find out the rational number between any two rational number? There are two methods. In method one, what we will do? Suppose, let's take one example. Suppose we have to find out the rational number between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. Okay, so what will be the rational number between these two numbers? Okay, so complete the series. After 3 by 4, what will come? 4 by 10. After 4, what
3
will come?
numbers, ma'am.
5 will come.
5, 6.
Denominator will remain same for all the rational number.
Yes, ma'am.
Only you have to change the upper part. Okay, it is 3. After 3,
Numerator.
4 will come. After 4, 5 will come. After 4, 6 will come. Okay, and after 6, 7 will come. So between these two numbers, these are the three rational numbers. Okay, so what is the procedure? Let's see procedure. We have to find the equivalent fraction of the given rational number. Okay, so in this method, we will multiply with a fraction so that we could achieve the equivalent rational number. See, I'm giving you, this is done now. If it is asked in a question, write down the three rational number between these two rational number. Okay, then you can write it easily, that 4 by 6, 5 by 5, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10. If they ask, write down the 50 rational number between these two rational number, then what will you do? If they ask, write down the 50 rational numbers between these two rational number, because we are saying in any two rational number there could be infinite number of rational numbers. Okay, so then how will you find out the 50 rational number between these two rational number? Any idea?
Ma'am, do we like multiply with them with something so they get more bigger? Maybe you can find some numbers in there, like if you multiply 3 by 10 with some number, it'll be
Yeah.
more bigger. So maybe you can find some numbers between them.
Yeah, we have to multiply with some fraction so that it will become a bigger number, and if they both will be bigger number, their middle numbers range will be increased. Okay, see.
Ma'am, both should be multiplied with the same fraction.
Yeah, both should be multiplied with the same fraction. Okay, so what we will do, find the equivalent fraction of the given rational number and then write the rational number which come in between these two numbers. Find the equivalent rational number. Okay, first write the equivalent rational number of these two rational number. Now see, if I multiply this rational number by 10 by 10, and here you have to multiply with the same number. Why? To make the denominator equal. Okay, we have to keep the denominator equal. Here denominator would, if I am multiplying 10 by 10, then denominator would become 100. Then here also
100.
the denominator would be equal. To make the same denominator, we have to multiply 10 by 10 again here. Okay, so now it will become 30 by 100 and it will become 70 by 100.
70 by 100.
Okay, then what will be the rational number between these two? This may be 31 by 100, 32 by 100, 33 by 100, 34 by 100, 35 by 100, and up to, we can write up to 69 by 100.
69.
Okay, so how many numbers can be written? From 30 to 70, 40 numbers can be written. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
30 to 70, 40 numbers can be written. Now see, if they ask, write down the 100 number between these two numbers. If they ask, write down the 100 number between these two numbers, then what you will do? Now you will,
Maybe we can multiply.
now you have to multiply this rational number by a fraction 100. Okay, multiply this rational number by a fraction 100. So you will get 300 by 1000, 700 by 1000. See, children, please take care. The numerator should be same. Multiply with that fraction. Okay, if we are multiplying with any fraction, the numerator should be, sorry, the denominator should be same. Yeah, denominator should be same. Okay, then only you can write the middle numbers. Otherwise, you cannot write. Okay, so here the denominator are same, 1000. The numerator is 300 and we have to go up to 700. So write down the middle numbers. Start from 300. Next number would be 301 by 1000. Next number would be 302 by 1000. The
Yes,
next
ma'am. It is more than
303
50.
by 1000. Okay, and we can write up to 699
99.
divided by 1000. Okay, so between the if any number is asked, if suppose it is below 100, if number is below 100, then multiply both the side by 10. If a number is above 100, multiply in 100 times. Okay, it is clear for all? Is it clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's clear.
Okay, now let's do quickly, we do one more question. Write down the 10 rational number between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. All of you, please practice it. Do it fast. Do it fast.
First, we should do LCM and equal the denominator. So
Yeah. Equal the denominator. So for for making denominator equal, what is that common? What will be that
42,
common
ma'am.
fraction?
LCM is 42.
LCM would be 42.
42. No,
Okay.
no, 1 minute.
Okay. LCM is
48, ma'am. 48.
48. Okay. So
Yes.
now, which number is to be multiplied with 6 to make the multiplication 48?
8, ma'am.
8. Okay. So you multiply both side by
40, ma'am. Minus
and
40.
here also both side by 8. Okay. Our denominator are equal, and this would be 40. 8
Minus
5s
40
are
and 40.
40.
40.
Okay. Now start. What is the next number after minus 40?
39. Minus. Okay,
Minus
okay,
39.
40. Yes, ma'am. Minus 39.
Minus 39. You have to go
Yes.
from negative to positive side. Okay. So
Yes,
next
ma'am.
number will be minus 39. After minus 39, minus 38.
38.
After minus 38, minus 37. Okay. And you will reach up to, you have to write up to 39 by 48.
0.
39 by 48.
Yes, ma'am. In negative 0 and then
Yeah,
positive.
after writing all these negative number, 0 would also come in between these numbers. Okay, because we are going from negative to positive. Now how many numbers they are 80 numbers. From minus 40 to
80.
40 we can write 80 numbers. Since we have to write any 10 rational number, you from your choice you can pick any 10 number and you can write the answer. Okay, because you
Okay.
have counted, you have written maximum number. You have written 100 number. If they have asked only 10, pick any 10 number and write it. Okay. Okay, now we'll see few more question based on this topic. Okay, find 10 rational number between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. Is done. Yeah, it is done. Another method. Okay, the next method is mean method. The next method is mean method. The first method was equivalent fraction method. The first method was equivalent fraction method, because we have multiplied both the number with equivalent fraction to make their denominator equal. Okay, that was equivalent fraction method. Now this is the other method. This is the second method, which is mean method. So now what we
X
will
plus
do,
y by 2.
what we will do here, actually we know that what is a mean. If my number a, one number is a, one number is b, what will be the mean or middle? Mean or middle both are same. If I say this is my middle number, its value will be a plus b by 2. Mean, middle, average, they both are equal term. They both are same. Okay, so of course this a plus b by 2 would lie between a and b. Is it so?
Ma'am,
Is it so? Am I correct? This
Yes,
a
ma'am.
plus b by 2 will lie between a and b. Am I correct? Okay, let's take
Yes, ma'am.
example. Let's take
Ma'am, I
example.
have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, but why only 2? Why not any other number like 3, 4, or 5?
Where? Here? Here?
No, in the a plus b by 2. Yeah.
Yeah, a plus b by 2, because
Because there are
we are
two
taking
numbers.
only two number.
Okay, ma'am. And one more doubt.
If we are taking three number a, b, c, its mean would be a plus b plus c by 3. You are correct.
Got it.
Ma'am, the
Tell me.
number, right?
Yeah.
The number can also be a negative number, right?
Yeah. This could be a negative number. If it will be a negative number, write the sign negative over here. If this is also negative, write the sign negative over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, whatever is the sign of a, b, put that sign Only you have to add these two numbers, okay, and divide these number by 2. Let's take one example. I will take all the possible sign, okay. I will remove your confusion. See, if it is minus 1 by 2 and uh, if it is minus 1 by 2 and it is, if it is 3 by 2, okay. So write down the middle number. What will be the middle number? The middle number between these two rational number. Simply apply the mean method. Minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, add two numbers and divide them by 2. Okay. So you will get 2 by 2, 2 by, it is 2 by 1. Okay. Now solve it. 2 by 2 into 1 by 2. It would be 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So the mean of these two number would be 1 by 2. Okay. Is there any confusion of negative and 2? No?
No, ma'am, no confusion. Got it.
Okay. Now, if I say find out the mean between 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and sorry, minus 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, then how will you calculate it? Minus 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Just apply the formula. Minus 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Now solve it. Minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Denominator are same. Denominator common. The upper part is minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2.
Minus 4 by 2.
It would be minus 4 by 2 into 1 by 2. It would be minus 1. Okay. This would be minus 1. Okay. Now mean method is clear for all. That if two number is given, how will you find out the middle number using the mean method? Just use that formula a plus b by 2. Okay. Now come to the next part. Now we will see the more than one number.
The
If
first method is only easy, ma'am.
the first method is easy. Okay, but if they ask find out the rational number between two number using mean method only, then you cannot apply the first method over there. They would cut the whole answer. Okay, and you will get 0 marks.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
whichever method is being asked, just apply that method. Okay, so now find the rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. If I say find out the three rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 using the mean method, use mean method to find out three rational number between these two rational number. How will you do it? Anyone know? Anyone knows? This is your revision. You have already done this chapter. You don't know? Okay, we will see. If I draw a number line and I take this number as 1 by 4, this number as 1 by 2, you have to find out three rational number. Okay, we know that by mean method, the middle number will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. This number would be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. This is 6 by 4. 6 by, am I correct? No. The LCM,
No, ma'am.
the LCM
Eight.
would be 4.
The LCM is 8.
1 plus 2.
No, 4.
Yeah, 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. This is 3 by 8. Okay. So the mean method is giving this number as 3 by 8. Okay. Now again apply the mean method and find out the number between these two number. You will get the middle number of these two number A and, suppose this is A, B, this is C. Okay. So in the first step, you found this number C by using mean formula. Okay, now in second step, use the mean formula for this A and C number and find out the middle number between A and C. If I say this is D, so this D would be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 divided by 2. Okay, okay, now solve it. 1 by 4 plus 1 by plus 3 by 8 divided by 2. Do it fast. How much you are getting? 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 divided by 2. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. It would be, LCM would be 8. 2 plus 3. 5 by 8. And in division it is 2. In multiplication it will be 1 by 2. So 5 by 16. Okay, 5 by 16. Now see, we have to find 3 rational number. Till now we got only 2, D and C. Okay, till now we got only 2. Now there is a possibility to find the mean of these two numbers. Okay, so now this could be found using mean method. So apply the mean method. 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Okay, and this, if I say this number is E, so this E would be, solve it. 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 would be 8, 3, 4, 7 by 8, 1 by divided by 2 is there. 7 by 8 into 1 by 2, 7 by 16. It would be equal to 7 by 16. Hence in this way, I found 3 numbers D, C, E between the numbers A, B using the mean method. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear for all?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, it is very easy. I think it is easier than the first one. In first one, you have to find out the common fraction number. You have to think on the first method. Here, nothing to there is no need to think. Directly you can apply the formula and you can find the middle number. If they ask find out the 5 number, okay, then how will you extend this formula? How will you extend this question for getting 5 number?
Yes, ma'am, I was getting this thought only.
Actually, now we can apply the mean method and can find the middle number of these two number. Again, we can apply the mean method and we can find the middle of this number. We can find middle of this number. We can find middle of this number. Okay. So in this way, we can find many numbers between these two numbers. Many means infinite number could be found between these two numbers using mean method. Okay, just take two numbers and find the middle number. Okay, clear? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next. Okay, so yeah, we'll solve one question. Tell me 3 rational number lying between these two rational number. Option A, B are given. Only 2 options are given. Yeah, wait. Find the 3 rational number between these two numbers. How will you find? Tell me. Minus 3 by 4 and 1 is
Ma'am, the second one.
second one. It is directly you can tell, right? The
Yes,
after
ma'am,
minus 3 by
directly
4,
we can
next
tell.
number would be minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4. Okay. Then 0 by 4.
And then 0.
Yeah.
And then 1 by 4, 2
1
by
by
4.
4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Okay. So between these two number, minus 1 by 4 is there, 1 by 4 is there, and 3 by 4 is there. It means option B is correct. Okay. Now we will solve the class homework sheet. I gave this, I uploaded this sheet. Yeah. Wait, classwork. Yeah. I gave you this worksheet, right? So let's discuss it. What is the first question? The sum of rational number minus
sum.
8 by 9, 19 and minus 4 by 57 is. Do you know how to do the sum? Sum
Yes,
would be,
ma'am. Through LCM method, you can
Yes,
apply
ma'am.
it.
yeah,
The LCM of 19 and 57 is 57 only.
yeah. Then
Then
Divide.
And then we should add those.
yeah, divide
If we get the same
divide
LCM, we
57
can
by
add
19.
those.
19 threes are 57.
19 3s are
You
57.
can-
Now
and,
multiply this.
8 threes are 20 minus 24 by 57 plus minus 4 by 57.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
minus into minus, just put the minus sign. Minus 20 by 57 is the
Ma'am,
correct
it's
answer.
C.
Yeah,
It's C, ma'am.
it is C. Okay. Next. Next question. Next question. What should be added to 3 by 8 to get minus 1 by 24?
Ma'am, let the number be x first of all.
Yeah. What should be added to 3 by 8 to get minus 120 minus 1
You
by
should
24?
transpose the x to the
Transpose this
ah,
term. Transpose
yeah,
this
ma'am.
term here.
RHS side.
RHS side. Here it is plus. After transposing, it will become minus
Minus.
3 by 8. Okay. Now do the same
Minus 3 by
process.
LCM
Take the
method.
LCM and solve it.
LCM is 24.
Yeah. You do it yourself. Now third question. Which of the rational number is the smallest? Okay. Now tell
Applying
me.
the same LCM
Ma'am,
method
the
and
second
then
one answer
put it
is
in the order.
Yeah. First make their denominator equal. Okay. Then compare the numerator and you can easily find which number is the smallest one.
smallest. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See. So how will you make the denominator equal? See, the denominator part,
By LCM.
find LCM. Correct. Denominator part 9, 6, 12 and 24. Okay. Now what will be the LCM of these four numbers?
72.
72.
72.
Okay. So to make this 9 as 4 by 9 as 72, we have to multiply this 9 by which number?
8, ma'am.
8.
9 8s are 72.
Okay.
And
4 8 ja 32.
32.
Okay. And again convert this 5 by 6 to this make this denominator as
6 12s are
6 12s of 72. Multiply 12 upper and bottom both side. You will
12
get
5s are 60.
60 by
60 by 72.
72. Now again convert this minus 7 by 12 into the denominator of 72. You have to multiply by
12 6 are 6.
this minus would get cancelled. 12 6
Yes, plus 12 6 are 72 and 7 6 are 42.
42. Okay.
42 by 72.
Okay. Again convert this 11 by minus 24. You have to multiply this by, to make the denominator
2.
72, multiply both the side to
2.
you will get plus 22
22 by
divided by
72.
minus 72. Okay. Now see, in equation 1, equation 2,
We can send the minus to the numerator, right, to get it in standard form.
yeah, numerator, all the numerator are equal. Now compare the number, which number is bigger. See, we are getting for 32 by 72. This is 72. Okay. Minus 60 by 72, 42 by 72, and 22 by
Ma'am, the B1, ma'am. The
72.
B1.
Which number is smallest?
Minus 5 by 6.
Yeah, this number is correspond to minus 5 by 6. Okay, so our answer would be minus 5 by 6 B. Okay, the same procedure you apply if this type of question is being asked, that any rational number is
Okay,
given,
ma'am.
make their denominator equal and then compare the numerator. Okay, and then write the corresponding number. Okay,
Ma'am, can we have quiz?
what
Quiz.
quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, quiz. Now you want quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for that, write down the question. Solve this 5 and 6. Question number 5. Actually, 5 you can do. Take this 7th and 8th. 7th, 8th, 9th. Okay, solve it. All of you.
7th, 8th, 9th, ma'am.
Yeah. First solve the 7th one and then tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the first one.
Following rational number
Minus
is
9 by
in
28.
the standard form. Okay, what do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
mean?
Minus 9 by 28.
What do you mean by a standard form?
The numerator should be like negative, and I mean the denominator shouldn't be negative, and it can't be simplified anymore.
Yeah. But don't the first thing was incorrect. The second,
Yes, ma'am. I was about to say the denominator shouldn't be negative. It should be negative.
no, it is not necessary. The denominator may be positive or it may be negative, but the standard form will be that form which cannot be solved further. See, this one, first number, the first number cannot be solved further. It will be not cut by any.
Simplified anymore.
It cannot be simplified anymore. Right? Correct. Now 26 by 78. It can be simplified. By 2 table, you can simplify it. Correct? By
Yes,
2
ma'am.
table, you can simplify it. It would be
13 by
13 by
39.
2, 3, 4, 39.
And
Yes.
39. Okay. This could be simplified. It would be from 2 table. It
minus
would be
7 by
8.
minus 7 by 8.
And this could also be simplified.
12 table, ma'am.
Yeah.
Minus you can put as 4 by actually minus 4 by
Tell me. Minus 4 by
8.
8.
And
And this minus 4 by
and you
8
can
be written as
minus
1 by 2.
yeah.
Correct. So see, this B, C, D, they all can be simplified further. It means they are not a simplified form. Okay. Standard form is nothing but a simplified form. It is a simplified form. And option A is correct because we cannot simplify it further. Okay. Now see the next question. The sum of two rational number is minus 7. If one of them is this, the other number would be. This question is very important.
Ma'am, minus 118 by 19.
Minus
The D1 minus 118 by 19.
Okay, okay. So how did you solve it?
Ma'am, first I took the let the number be x.
Okay, yeah, correct.
So they said the sum. So x plus minus 15 by 19. They said the sum is minus 7. So that is equals to minus 7.
Yeah,
Then I took minus 15 by 19 to that side. Then it will be 15 by 19.
plus 15 by 19.
Yes, ma'am. 15 by 19. Then I took LCM. And the LCM is 19. So minus 133 by 90.
Yeah.
That is equals to minus 118 by 19.
Okay, correct. Okay, so your x would be this one. Now, which of the following form a pair of equivalent rational number? Again, what you have to do? Next question. So, all of you, are you getting the answer minus 118 by 19 for this question 8? Are you getting, Ananya?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting? Harshita?
Ma'am, I only told.
Okay, you are Harshita. Nityashri? Nityashri? Nityashri is not there. Tanvi? Okay. Tanvi have joined only for the attendance. Okay. So now let's move to the next question.
Ma'am, it's D1.
Which of the following form a pair of equivalent rational number?
It's D. 9 by 20, 72 and minus 3 by 20. No, it's not D. 1 minute.
It's not D.
Yes, ma'am,
Equivalent.
it's not D. 1 minute.
Equivalent. You simplified them and find out are they equal or not.
Ma'am, it's the C1.
C1. C1.
Yes,
First
ma'am.
number is 8 by 15. Second one
It can be
simplified
divisible by 3 table.
by 3 table.
3
Okay.
8s are 24 and 3 15s are 48.
Yeah. No. 315 is not 48. It is 45.
Oh, 1 minute. Ma'am.
It is not correct. I think B is correct. Because if you solve minus 20 by 35, if you simplify it by 5 table, you will get minus 5 by 7, and you simplify it by 11 table, you will get 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7. Hence both are equal. Since they both are
Yes,
equal,
ma'am.
we can say option B is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harshita, don't do these silly mistakes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I think I have covered all the type of questions in this chapter, rational number. Okay, now I have shared the same worksheet in your WhatsApp group. Okay, I will share one more worksheet today. So how many questions are there in this? Only 20 questions are there. In second worksheet it would be only 10 number of question. When they all 30 are of different kind. Okay, no question will come beyond these 30 questions. Okay, so please solve all these questions. If you find any problem, ask me in the next class. Okay,